In this tutorial, I will show you how you can fix AutoDS out of stock issue. Now, this is a very common problem. Don't worry. I will show you how you can fix it right now. Now, just log in into your Shopify store. That's the first thing you need to do. I'm going to do that right now. Now, after you log in, what you need to do is you want to click here on products, right? Now, if every product is out of stock, every product you imported from AutoDS is out of stock, you just need to click here, select all. Okay, just select all and then click on bulk edit. Okay, so after you click on bulk edit, you want to click here where it says columns in the top right. Okay, now after that you want to scroll down and then search here for something called continue selling when out of stock, and then also you want to check this one that says track quantity. Okay, and after that you will be able to see here this continue selling going out of stock. Now if it's checked, okay, that's cool. As you can see, this one, as you can see, if it's checked, that's cool. If it's not checked, if it's unchecked, you want to check every one. Okay, just check them. Okay, check all these boxes. Okay, now after that here, if the track quantity is checked, you want to uncheck it. Okay, so just uncheck track quantity and check continue selling going out of stock. As you can see, that's exactly what I did. I'm going to uncheck every variation of this product and check it. Okay, where it says here track quantity and continue selling when out of stock, I'm going to check all of these. Okay, so after that you want to click on, yeah, if you can find here AutoDS, click on it and then select and then click on ship from this location. Okay, if you can see here AutoDS, click on it and then click on one of the variation and then click on ship from this location. Okay, now if you don't see it, don't worry, click on save. Okay, now after you click on save, you want to go back. Now check if the problem is solved or not. If it's not done, what you need to do, probably it has something to do with your shipping rates. You want to click on settings and then click on shipping and delivery, and then here you want to click on create custom profile. Now after that you want to name this profile whatever you want, like new profile, whatever. Don't worry, customers will not see this. Now here it says add products, you want to click on add product, and then you want to add the products you have imported from AutoDS. Now after that you want to click on done. Now after you click on done, you want to click on add zone and rate to ship from these countries. You want to click on add shipping zone. Now you want to add the shipping zone here. In my case, I'm going to add Africa and Morocco, and then the zone name, new zone. Don't worry, again, customers will not see this. And after that, you want to click on done, and then you want now to add the rates. Now to add the rates here, the custom rate name, you want to add standard, and the price of the shipping, I'm going to leave it 0.0 free shipping. After that you want to click on save. Now check if the problem is solved. Well, I'm going to check now if the problem is solved or not. Okay, so as you can see now, the out of stock thing is gone. I'm going to select another size or another color. As you can see, I will be able now to buy from the store. Now if this doesn't work, what you need to do, you want to click on the product, click again on products. Okay, just go to the Shopify dashboard, click on products, and then click on the title. Now it's going to take you here. Now what you need to do is you want to check, for example, you want to check all of these, then click on three little dots and then see if you can see here continue selling going out of stock. If you cannot see it, click on bulk edit, and if you click on bulk edit, do the exact same thing. Just click on columns and then search here for continue selling going out of stock, and make sure it's all checked. As you can see here, in my case, all the continue selling on off stock is checked. Okay, so hopefully this tutorial helped you. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I try to reply to every single comment, by the way. Just comment below any question you have and I will try to reply to you. Drop a like, that would be highly appreciated, and see you in the next tutorial.